Ever wondered how top businesses seamlessly keep customers informed about their payments without directly handling the transactions themselves? First, let's clarify Twilio is a powerful communications platform, not a direct merchant account provider. Instead, it enables you to send vital payment notifications. Step 1. Secure your merchant account or payment gateway. This is the crucial first step for processing payments. Choose a provider like Stripe, PayPal, or Square, which will handle the financial transactions and receive the funds for your business. Step 2. Integrate your chosen payment gateway with your business application or website. This connection allows your system to receive real-time data about successful payments, failed transactions, or refunds from the gateway. Step 3. Integrate Twilio into your application with your payment data flowing. This is where Twilio comes in. You'll set up Twilio's communication APIs to send messages via SMS, WhatsApp, or even voice, based on payment events. Step 4. Define your notification triggers and content to decide exactly when and what type of message should be sent. For example, a successful payment could trigger an order confirmation SMS, while a failed transaction might send a discrete notification requesting an update. Step 5. Thoroughly test and launch your notification system. Send test messages to ensure all communication flows correctly and reaches your customers reliably. Then deploy your integrated solution. This ensures your customers are always informed and engaged.